Good morning, children. Today I am going to start statistics. So here we will discuss how to find the mean, median and mode, that is central tendency of group data. Last year you have studied for ungrouped data. Now we are going to find mean, median and mode for grouped data. So for that there are some formulae. This formula you write down in your notebook. A class mark, this is upper limit of the class plus lower limit upon 2. Upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Then there are three methods for finding mean of the grouped data. So first method is the direct method and the formula is this mean. This is mean. Mean is given by summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. So formula for mean is summation of fi xi. This symbol is called as summation. Summation means sum of all the terms, sum of all fi xi, that is f1 x1 f2 x2 like this. So summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. Fi is nothing but the frequency and xi is the class mark. This class mark is xi. So summation of fi xi upon summation of fi, this is the formula to find the mean by direct method. Then second is assume mean method. I am going to explain all the formula first. So assume mean method, it is mean is given by x bar. This is read as x bar. X bar is a plus summation of fi di upon summation of fi. So here we have to assume one value as a mean, that is a, small a. This is assume mean and this x bar is equals to assume mean plus summation of fi di. Here di is used. Fi di upon summation of fi, where a is the assume mean and di is xi minus a. So for this we have to prepare one more column of di. Di is equals to xi minus a. In the example it will be clear to you. And the third method is the step deviation method, and there we are going to use this formula x bar, that is mean, is equals to a plus summation of fi ui upon summation of fi into h. So for this we have to find out ui. Ui is nothing but xi minus a upon h. H is the class size. Okay, that class size we have to, that is, it is also called as height, class height. This we have to find. So these are the formulae to find the mean of the group frequency. Here this is the question of the first exercise. Table is given to us, number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. So this class is given, hence it is given in the form of group, hence it is called as a grouped frequency table. So frequency is, this number of houses is nothing but frequency. This is fi. 1, 2, 3, these values are given to us and we have to find mean. Okay, so here we will use the direct method of finding the. For this we need to prepare this type of table. Here we will prepare the table. The columns are number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4. This is our class. Number of houses, frequency is given. This is our frequency fi. Now we have to find xi, that is class mark. Now just I have told you how to, what is the formula for xi. So it is upper class limit plus lower class limit upon 2. Now children, this is the class 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. These are our classes. Here 0 is the lower limit of the class and 2 is the upper limit. In the second class 2 is the lower limit and 4 is the upper limit. The very first thing you must check is this class should be a continuous class. Means the first class ends in 2, second starts with 2 only. So this is continuous, means upper limit of the previous class must be equal to the lower limit of the next class. Then the class is said to be continuous class. So in each question, first thing is to check whether the class is continuous or not. If it is not continuous, we have to make it continuous. Okay, so here the class is continuous class. 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. This is our class. This is the frequency. This is given to us. Now we will find the class mark. 0 plus 2 upon 2. Upper limit, lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. That is, this is the formula. So 0 plus 2 upon 2, it is 1. 2 plus 4 upon 2. That is 6 upon 2, it is 3. So like this we have to find this class mark. It is xi. Okay, so now we have obtained this xi. Now formula is fixi. Next column will be of fixi, means multiplication of this to 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 5, 5. Like this, find out all the values. And summation of fixi means sum of all these fixi. So this is summation of fixi. Find out this total. This total is here 162. And here we will find the total of this fi also, because in the formula in the denominator there is summation of fi. It is 20. And just apply the formula. And mean is, this is the mean. Formula is x bar, that is mean, is summation of fixi upon summation of fi. Put the values. This is summation of fixi 162 upon 20. Okay, so 8.1. So we get the average. This is 8.1. In this way we can apply the direct method of finding the mean. And when these values are small, okay, in that case we can use the direct method. Children, in the second question, daily wages is given. This is in rupees. The class is 100 to 120, 120 to 140, like this, and this is the frequency. Now here we are going to solve this by assume mean method. This we will solve by assume mean method. So write down the classes first. Here we have to write the classes 100 to 120, 120 to 140. So again check whether this class is continuous or not. The upper limit of the previous class 120, next class lower limit is 120, so it is continuous class. Okay, then the second column will be of fi. It is given to us. These two things are given to us. Now we will find the class mark, which is xi. Class mark is 100 plus 120 upon 2. 100 plus 120 upon 2. This average, it is 110. Now here we have to find this di, that is xi minus 150. For that we need 150, means here we have to assume the mean first. So we will assume the mean, and the mean class is, see, there are total 5 classes. Actually we will consider the middle class as the, for mean, 140 to 160. This is our middle class and its class mark is 150. So this 150 is our assumed mean, A. So A is 150. Value of A is 150. Okay. For this we will consider the middle class and its class mark. So value of A is 150. Now DI. Here we have to calculate the column DI, and it is xi minus 150. Xi minus A. Though xi minus A is 150. Xi minus A, 150 minus 150, it becomes 0. 130 minus 150, it is minus 20. 110 minus 150, it is minus 40. Like this you find out this column. And then this formula ui is xi minus this A upon h. Now h is 20. Why h is 20? H is nothing but the height of the class. 100 and this 120, this difference, 120 minus 100, 140 minus 120, 160 minus 140. This is nothing but height of the class. It is 20. Okay, so apply this formula ui, it is xi minus 150 upon 20. So for minus 40 upon 20 it is minus 2, minus 20 upon 20, minus 1. Like this column we can find out. And then FIUI. FI and UI. Find this multiplication. 12 into minus 2, 24. 14 into minus 1, minus 14. Like this. Find out FIUI. This total, it is FIUI, summation of FIUI. This total is minus 12. Summation of FI is 50. And then apply the formula. So use the step deviation formula. It is x bar is equals to a plus summation of FIUI upon summation of FI into h. Substitute all the values and you will get the mean daily wages of the worker. So like this we can use the formula.